Hello, welcome to Jasmine Jessie Garden. Hope you are well. Let's talk about Murraya paniculata plant. Murraya plant are very wonderful, versatile plant that can be grown in a moist situation as a medium hedge. Uh, they grow well with other plants and have beautifully perfumed white flower that appear in spring and summer. Easy to maintain Murrayas can grow to 4 meters, so will benefit from regular pruning to keep them to the desired height. Full sun or light shade, regularly watering when establishing rich but well drained soil suitable for all climates all year round. How to grow Murraya in a garden? Number one, choose a position in full sun or partial shade with well drained soil. Number two, enrich the soil with air, thrive, natural blood, and bone with seaweed. If the soil is clay based and gypsum and fork in well. Number three, dig the planting hole twist as wide and to the same depth as a root ball. Remove the plant from the container and gently tease the roots. Number four, position in hole and backfill gently, forming down from a raised duggan ring around the plant, creating a well so that water will go where it's needed most. Water in well. Mulch. Number five, mulch with an organic mulch like wood chip or pea straw, keeping it away from the base of the plant. Number six, water deeply once or twice a week depending on weather conditions. Number seven, if you are growing your Murraya as a hedge and when to feed for more foliage apply. Yeast thrive our purpose January plant food. If you want to encourage more flowering apply yeast thrive rose and flower generally plants food. Tip for an added boost apply that is thrive fish blood and bone plant food concentrate. How to grow Murraya in a pot? Murraya paniculata can be grown in a large pots at last 50 mm wide. The dwarf from Murraya paniculata can be grown in smaller pots at least 250 mm wide. Number one, choose pot with adequate draining holes. Number two, position in full sun or part shade. Number three, fill the pot with quality potting mix such as yeast premium potting mix. Number four, remove the plant from the container and gently tease the roots. Number five, position in hole and back will gently firming down, water in well. Number six, water deeply once to twice a week depending on weather conditions. Number seven, during the growing and flowering season, apply yeast, thrive rose and flowers, liquid plant food. Throughout the year, apply yeast. Yet is at thrive fish blood bone plant food can concentrate. Growing tip. Murraya prefer slightly acidic to mostly natural soil pH. Check the soil pH prior to planting using a soil pH test kit. If the soil pH is greater than 7, apply soil acidified liquid sulfur. If the soil pH is less than 5.0, apply hydrogen pinky liquid lime or dolomite. When planting as a hedge plant 3 per meter. For a more informal screen plant 1 2 per meter. Prune regularly while young and drain during the warmer season to encourage multi branches and bushes. Otherwise, as plant mature, they will become laggy and sparse. Dwarf from Murraya panniculata minamine is a smaller leaf, small growing compact from this light street species. You can grow and you can brought must brought in your garden and grow it. Its smell are very sweet and very dreamy lime type orange lime type smell. If you like our video, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.